Hello guys, welcome to Sam Travel Diaries. Today I'm going to show you a 6-person Ozark Trail instant tent review and unboxing. So it's an instant tent, as you can see, and 6-person can fit in this. So okay, let's get started. Just unboxed it. Now let's open it. It's a rain cover. This rain cover aside, it's actually quite
big like Papa. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Okay. So when you okay,
Lekker, maar dat is een kans, ja. Ja,
okay guys, okay, this is too windy today. Let me just give you inside view. This is one window if I'm on the right side, mesh window, and one on the left side, and you can see on top also for ventilation, and on side also there is one for ventilation. Then we have 2 pockets on each side where you can hang your mobile devices like this. This is actually enough room for 5 to 6 people. You can easily fit 2 queen air bed mattresses inside. And let me just show you the window view. It's so amazing. From outside you can see the bluffs, and in my front you can see Lake Ontario. What a beautiful, amazing scenery. The only thing is this is too much windy today, so I'm not going to install the rain cover as well, and this is for some other time. Today I'm just gonna finish my video here. So until next time, goodbye, and please visit and like, subscribe, share my channel, Sam Travel Diaries. Take care for now. Goodbye.